What's up, all you lock pickers? Tennessee back with you here. We're gonna pick this challenge lock by Captainjim318 Half Baked. If I can get it to focus here. There we go. Nothing on the back. Pretty good bitting on the key. Got that low cut on the front. It turns good right, but for some reason won't turn left. I don't know if it's maybe the pins obviously not aligning just correctly, maybe modifications to the core. Maybe the pins are in there wrong, I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. Use my Peterson gem and 25 thousandths and my Sparrow's top of the keyway tension wrench. I made some modifications to it and added some serrations to the bottom of it. Cut it back just a little bit so that it would sit further in the lock. It's now my favorite tension wrench. Little click out of 2. Nothing. Click out of 4. A wee bit of rotation. Go back to number 3. Oh yeah, a little bit more rotation. Nice click. So go to 2. Nothing on 2. A little click. Come on. Alright, nice click and a little bit more rotation. Go to 5. Yeah, and we're open. Alright. If you've ever told a little white lie to get out of paying a ticket, then go ahead and smash on that subscribe button. Let's lock her back up. Now, let's get the good old gut wrench out. Hope everybody's doing good tonight or day, wherever you are. I should be able to use my plug follower from Sparrows here with the hole in the back of it. Slide right over the back of the core. Shouldn't need no shim. There we go. Perfect. Now then, let's see what we got in here. Looks like we got a nice long serrated pin on number 1. Like a T-pin on number 2 with serrations. Number 3 is a deep spool. Number 4 is another spool. Number 5 is a serrated spool. Number 6 is another serrated spool. Got a few modifications to the core. Threading. Looks like threading on number 1. undercut on 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Threading on 5 and 6. Hopefully next we'll, I did say I was going to try to see if the cores or anything was interchangeable on that US General round bodied padlock and the 700 series American lock. So hopefully next video I can do that. Just kind of was in the mood to do some picking, so I've got one more challenge lock after this, and then I'll be out of challenge locks, so I have to finish making the rest of some of my first challenge locks, and maybe make a trade with somebody or something. Alright. Go ahead and dump all the springs out as well to see if there's any differences in those. And like always, we'll get a close-up of the pins after I get them all laid out and arranged correctly. I think it takes me way longer to gut one. It always seems like it takes longer to gut one anyway. I'm not gonna say it always takes me longer to gut one than it does to pick one, because sometimes you get stumped on some of them. See if there's any modifications to the Bible. No mods to the Bible. So let's get this all situated, and we will let you guys take a closer look. And again, number 1 is a nice long serrated pin. Number 2 is a serrated T-pin, key pin. A spooled pin, another spooled pin, a serrated spooled pin, see if I can get you guys some better light here. You can see the serration, the little serration on the bottom there, and the one on the top there. And as far as the upper deck, we've got a serrated pin, number 1. Number 2, we got another serrated pin. Number 2, we got like a half spool, pretty deep spool with that. Number 4, we got another spool. Number 5, we got like a little serrated T-pin looking thing. Or wedding cake or something, I don't know. And that's like a little serrated T-pin. All the springs seem to be the same. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will catch you guys next time.